At first, look at this circuitcloud.com. Go to this site and then sign in or create an account. I have already created an account, that's why I am signing in. So at first, what we have to do there, I have to give the my mail address, that is and then give the password. And then login, and after login what you have to do, go to the circuit editor. Here this page will come, and then we have to go to the digital part, and then you can select the gates you require. As we are doing the JK flip-flop, so we need a 3 input NAND gate, 3 input NAND gate actually, and 2 input NAND gate. Align them properly. Okay, so next what we have to do, we have to arrange as power supply that we get from here. Like clock generator is being added here for giving the clock, and then we are going for the input. Okay, align them properly. Okay, now what we have to do, now connect these lines from this point to this point, and here also this point to this point. Okay, now the other connections are like, okay, we need out LEDs for the output, so we can select the LED from here. Now connect the LED with the output button. you have to connect it with this line. This is not connected, you have to connect it. Okay, and connect it from here to there. And for this you have to connect this line also not there. Okay, there, and this line will be connected to this point, and this line will be connected to this point. So what after that, you have to give the clock input like this. Okay, I have to give like this and this. Okay, now what we have to do, go to the run button. Okay, if there is a 0 0, then what will happen, that Q bar will be on and Q will be off, and if we give 1 0, then Q will be on and Q bar will be off, and if we give 1 1, this is the toggle conditions. Okay, look at the toggle conditions, and if we give 1 0, look at this one. Okay, so this is JK flip flop. You can give the names here also, J and K, and here Q and Q bar also, like that. Okay.